Welcome to MegTech, your destination for the latest technology reviews, innovative gadgets, and smart buying guides designed to help you choose the right tech with confidence. Could the TP-Link Archer AXE300 still be one of the best high-performance routers for a demanding home network? How much difference can 16 gigabits per second class wireless capacity make for gaming, streaming, large file transfers, and dozens of connected devices? And is this quad-band Wi-Fi 6E router worth considering if you're looking for serious multi-gigabit networking? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, current offers, and availability. The TP-Link Archer AXE300 is a premium quad-band Wi-Fi 6E router with a combined theoretical wireless speed of up to 16 gigabits per second. It delivers up to 4,804 megabits per second on the 6 GHz band, 4,804 megabits per second on 5 GHz, 4,804 megabits per second on a second 5 GHz band, and 1,148 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. That gives you 4 separate wireless bands to distribute connected devices and bandwidth more efficiently. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. The most important addition here is the 6 GHz band. Wi-Fi 6E expands Wi-Fi 6 into the 6 GHz spectrum, providing additional high-speed wireless capacity for compatible devices. Because the 6 GHz band is designed for newer Wi-Fi 6E clients, it can provide a cleaner high-speed connection with less congestion from older Wi-Fi devices. In practical use, this makes the AXE300 particularly interesting for newer laptops, smartphones, gaming systems, and other compatible devices that can take advantage of Wi-Fi 6E. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. The quad-band design is another major advantage. Instead of putting every device onto the same wireless lanes, the Archer AXE300 provides 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz 1, 5 GHz 2, and 6 GHz connectivity. You can dedicate faster bands to demanding devices while keeping smart home products and older hardware connected to the appropriate network. That can be particularly useful in a busy household where several people are streaming, gaming, working, and downloading simultaneously. Inside, the router uses a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor designed to handle demanding networking workloads. TP-Link also equips it with 8 high-performance antennas and beamforming technology to help direct wireless coverage toward connected devices. The result is a router designed for homes where network traffic is consistently heavy and where multiple high-speed connections need to operate at the same time. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. Now let's talk about wired networking, because this is where the Archer AXE300 becomes especially exciting for multi-gigabit users. You get two 10 gigabits per second ports, with one 10 gigabits per second Ethernet port and one 10 gigabits per second SFP plus a RJ45 combo port, plus 4 1 gigabit per second LAN ports. That gives you extremely fast wired connectivity for a multi-gigabit internet connection, high-speed NAS storage, gaming PCs, workstations, and other bandwidth-heavy devices. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. The two 10 gigabits per second ports can also be used for WAN and LAN connections, giving you flexibility when configuring your network. If you have multi-gigabit fiber internet, a 10 gigabits per second capable NAS, or a high-performance desktop workstation, the AXE300 has the wired infrastructure to support these types of setups. For wireless performance, the router supports 160 MHz channels, 1024 QAM, OFDMA, and MU-MIMO. These technologies are designed to increase throughput and make better use of available wireless spectrum. In everyday terms, that means compatible devices can transfer larger amounts of data more efficiently, while OFDMA and MU-MIMO help the router serve multiple clients simultaneously. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. The Archer AXE300 also supports TP-Link's One Mesh system, allowing compatible devices to work together for expanded whole-home Wi-Fi coverage. It can also operate with Easy Mesh compatible products depending on the configuration and firmware, making it easier to build a larger network as your coverage requirements grow. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. If you're enjoying this review so far, consider giving the video a quick like. It really helps support the channel. The AXE300 isn't only about raw speed either. TP-Link includes home shield security and parental control features to help monitor and manage the network. You can use features such as malicious site blocking, intrusion prevention, infected device isolation, and network scanning to add another layer of protection to connected devices. Some advanced home shield functions are available through a subscription service. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. For storage and media sharing, the router includes two USB 3.0 ports. Compatible USB storage can be connected and shared across the network, allowing the AXE300 to function as a convenient network file sharing hub for supported devices. That's useful if you want quick access to files, media, or backups from multiple computers and smart devices. Management is handled through TP-Link's Tether mobile app and web interface, giving you access to setup, network management, connected device monitoring, security features, and parental controls. This makes the router easier to configure even if you're not a networking expert. The physical design is substantial, with dimensions of approximately 9.8 by 9.8 by 2.6 inches. Its large chassis is built around the high-performance networking hardware and multiple antennas required for its 4 wireless bands and multi-gigabit connectivity. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router, Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. Independent testing also shows why the AXE300 has attracted attention in the premium Wi-Fi 6E category. Tom's Hardware recorded strong throughput on the 6 GHz and 5 GHz bands, with the router reaching more than 2 gigabits per second in close-range 6 GHz testing and maintaining high performance at greater distances. In its testing, the router also delivered strong 5 GHz results, making it capable of handling demanding multi-device networks. Tom'sHardware.com, https://www.tomshardware.com/reviews/TP-Link Archer AXE300 AXE16000 router, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. Compared with more conventional Wi-Fi 6 routers, the Archer AXE300's biggest advantage is the combination of 4 wireless bands, dedicated 6 GHz connectivity, 2 10 gigabits per second ports, and a substantial high-speed networking platform. And when compared with newer Wi-Fi 7 routers, the AXE300 remains an attractive option for users whose devices primarily support Wi-Fi 6E and who want excellent multi-gigabit performance without requiring every device in the home to move to Wi-Fi 7. So, who should consider the TP-Link Archer AXE300? It's designed for power users, gamers, content creators, large households, multi-gigabit internet subscribers, and anyone building a high-performance home network. With AXE16000 quad-band Wi-Fi 6E, up to 16 gigabits per second theoretical wireless capacity, dual 10 gigabits per second connectivity, 160 MHz channels, MU-MIMO, OFDMA, USB 3.0, and advanced network management features, the Archer AXE300 offers an impressive combination of speed and flexibility. TP-Link.com, https://www.tplink.com/us/home networking Wi-Fi router of Archer AXE300, UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. Thanks for watching MegTech. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more technology reviews, comparisons, buying guides, and the latest